What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove the media or image attachment page from Google search results and from your site at all, okay? So for example, if you go to the media, every media that you upload on your site, you can click right here, view attachment page, okay? And this page have nothing, only the media, a comment section, sometimes according to your template, maybe a sidebar according to the theme that you are using, okay? However, this media, it's part of some page, so we would like to attach, to enclose this media into some page. So if someone find your image on Google Images and click on it, instead of going to this page without content, without links, they go to the proper post, okay? How to do this? I'm gonna explain how to do this using two methods, two simple methods and free, okay? But before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So, after this made, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. And we're gonna be able to do this using two very useful plugins that you can use for other things. So let's go. WordPress, left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins button, click on add new. And the very first one, it's using an SEO plugin. For example, the Yoast SEO. Type Yoast into the upper right corner search button, click on install now if you are not using Yoast SEO already. The all-in-one SEO plugin also have this option, okay? But we're gonna explain how to do this using Yoast. Click on activate after installing it. The plugin gonna redirect you to the welcome page or to the plugins list. Nothing to worry, once again, reveal the left sidebar of menus on your site. You should see a new button under settings called Yoast SEO. Click on it and go to search appearance, okay? Once on search appearance, we can see into the tabs one called media. Among a lot of things that you can do using a Yoast SEO plugin, and we do have a playlist explaining how to use Yoast SEO part by part on your YouTube channel, you can remove the media attachment URLs. This is very good for you, okay? I highly recommend that you do this. Why? Because if someone find your image on Google, they're gonna be redirected to the post where the image was uploaded for, not to the attachment page. So redirect attachment URL to attachment itself. No. Show media in search results. No. Show SEO settings for media. No. And no. Click on it. Not showing media in search results technically means that you will have a no index robots meta, they will enclose and set maps. You can set this as on, however, this right here redirected attachment URL to the attachment itself. Okay? Good, okay? There is another good option to do this, okay? And how is? Go into your plugins, add new. We will also install a very useful plugin if you are a WordPress website owner called WP Code. Click on install now. Click on the activate button. Here you can see all of the plugins present on your site. Here is the WP Code Lite. As you can see now, under settings, over the Yoast SEO, we have the code snippets. And once on code snippets, we can hover our mouse over it and click on add new. And we can search right here for search for snippets to attachment, okay? So disable attachment page. We can use snippet or preview. Click on use snippet So no need to code, okay? They have some pre-built parts of codes on your site, on their library already. So all you have to do is set this as active. Simple, right? Now the media attachment page, it's disabled, okay? If the user find your image on Google, they're gonna redirect the image to the attachment itself, just like Yoast SEO is already doing. However, into this method you have a more effective and other useful things that you can do, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, so you can gain more widgets, elements, templates, and tools in order to build your site using Elementor or the blog editor, okay? And even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme with a lot of templates, pre-built layouts, search functions, and customization options, and for free, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it, okay? And as a final note, in the case that you are in need of your site up and running faster, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass product in order to gain the Borderless Pro and Enzo Pro licenses, and you're gonna gain, in addition, our full support, premium icon packs, almost unlimited pre-built websites, templates, sections, and pages that you can import with a single click, and amazing extra premium design options for your site, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!